This is Logan Sky Olsen going on a bike ride. I love you. Be safe.
Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go, YouTube fans. I don't care what I'm gonna go on, okay? I just rode my other bike, so I'm not that used to it. Got it? You want to get a look at the view? Here, look behind me. Pretty cloudy, right? Let's go catch up to the kids, cat. Yeah. Whoa, whoa. There's a really good bump coming up. I just know it. Going uphill. Here they come. Hey guys, I'm taking a video. Guys, look, I'm taking a video.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, going off-road. Going up-road. Going down-road. We're gonna see how long it takes. Hey Penny, say hi. Say hi, Penny.
Hi.
Sorry I couldn't get you, Penny. Here comes my mom. Try to scare her. Pick up some speed.
Race, let's put it on stop.